Well, good morning everyone. Back on the claim. Absolutely beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. Absolutely beautiful, crisp spring day. And we're back on the claim. So, yeah, we're going to go and have a bit of a prospect around and hopefully find some good stuff. And I'm hoping today that we'll do very well. I've got a good feeling, so hopefully we find something decent. I just thought I'd show you this. I did a few mods to the sluice. I altered it so I can now take these mats out. So I glued, I don't know if you can see that, but I've actually glued the mat, the original mat, to another bit of rubber, and just to make it thicker. And then yeah, so now we can pull those out, both that one and the front one. So you can just pull those out and clean them out, because it was a bit of a pain before because I couldn't do that. But that's how they clip in, so the water can still come up and over this without getting stuck underneath it. And I did one up the front as well, so then the water can just flow straight over and won't pop it up and out the way. And then I just had to strengthen those a wee bit because they were getting a wee bit broken. But yeah, so we'll see how that pans out, and pardon the pun. But yeah, hopefully we should be all good. And here's Jade. Down with Jade again, so he's walking along there. Yeah, beautiful day. Water's nice and low. Looks very inviting actually. I think we're going to have to get our wetsuits on and some stage very soon and go for a snipe. See how we go. Anyway, be back soon when we're all set up. Alrighty. Well, we're all set up. See how that's going. Seems to be flowing through really nicely.
Midday doesn't overload it.
Like Jade was saying, it really doesn't matter how much you load this up, because it's only the centre part of the sluice, because the water comes through here on each side. It's always down here, it's always the flow is always going past. Doesn't matter what happens in the middle here. It sort of comes down in a V across this way, and then this one comes along that way. So it actually makes a fluid bed around here. So it seems to work pretty damn well. And that's the advantage of having that what's the name in the front there, is that it funnels it all into there and causes that sort of a Venturi effect going in and makes an actual V. So as you can see how it's running there, it all sort of runs into the middle. And it just disappears nicely. And it's a lot higher flow. Like this generates quite a high flow, so it gets through the material quite quickly. You can see it all just dancing nicely in there. So yeah, so we'll see how we go. And hopefully we're going to have a good day. Hey Jake?
Yeah, we should do. Awesome.
Right.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we'll be back soon.
Alright, taking over Jace's camera. Got 2 buckets over there. Got one filled. Cleaning in here. Jace is up here and that bit there. Got a bit of pottery and a bit of glass. One-day glass. So we'll keep it with it. Just sure. But pottery. So just digging in. Trying to clean all this out. He reckons there's gold in here, we'll have a look. Yeah, you can see it from here.
Here, I'd say.
Looks good.
So it's going down the middle, so it's good.
Not bad for first bucket off the top. Box looks like. Nice bits in there. Heaps of flies. Sounds good. Dig it in here. Keep dropping that. And the boss is down here in this bit.
Find a little hole.
Another
Full of
hole.
gravel. Full of gravel, isn't it?
Hopefully hit the goal.
Yeah, so it's packed in there. I'm going to get the little,
I've got a bar behind me if you need it.
oh, I don't know if you get the little,
Right. I've got some little picks too. You need them.
alright. Just had a bit of a pan out of a little area I'm doing and got that. Nice big bit there. Quite a few little bits. So yeah, we're on it. So hopefully we're going to have a good day. Oh, there's another wee bit lonesome. So hopefully, yeah, we're going to have a good day. Rightio, back soon. I forgot to show you in that same pan, got all this lead. I should just going to show you all those little lead BBs come out of the same pocket. So yeah, suck them up and get them out of the river. So yeah, ideal. Back soon.
This is midday lunchtime clean up. And
Heaps of lead.
so there's a couple little pickers in there.
Lead pickers.
And a couple of gold. Bloody sun. I haven't seen this in a long time. Looks good. Yep. Looks good. Still working. Joseph's down there cleaning up there. He's reached up to his arm in a crack in here. And this is that I'm working. Yeah, she's pretty deep in there too, so pretty good. Might carry on, do a bit of this. Check to see how much is in out here. So it's quite a good deep crack. So, alrighty, I'll get back into it. It's the sucked out of my hole that I've done. It's coming up. Goes down a little deep quite a bit down there. So that was sucked out. Also did cleaned out this. Wasn't really much in it. Got a little bit there. Might chip a bit more into that. Yeah, before finding another spot to dig at. But quickly clean out that and see what's in the bottom that sucked up.
Kiwis in it. Sandy.
Yeah, it was. Got past that hard packer that went into Sept, like quite a sandy.
What you'd expect.
Dirty layer.
Yeah.
Fines. This you can see down there, but we're gonna clean it all out. Going for a bit of a wander. Came back, then go for another wander. So it's probably cleaned out all through there. So doing the final clean up and then we'll go for a bit of explore. Good.
Right, over at home, we're just burning her off. There's a nice little puddle of gold there. Moving, it's done. Right.
So yeah, it looks like there's little bits and pieces stuck around there.
I said 0.6 and Jade thinks it's 0.4. So we'll see how that goes. Turn her on. pouring. Ah, really? Tinny bugger.
Funny.
0.4 it is. No. All good. Alright, hope you enjoy that. We'll catch you on the next one.